Hey there everybody, this is Michelle with Alaska Raceway Park. Welcome to Track Talk Tuesday, or maybe today might be Tire Talk Tuesday. I've got a few tidbits for you this week, so let's hop right into it. It is Tire Talk today for just a couple reasons. The first is a reminder that if you are running in the INEX Legends or Bandoleros classes, to be sure to get any tire or spare parts orders into Andy Workman sometime in the next week or so. Andy's info is on our Facebook as well as our website, so you can go on there, get his number, give him a holler, but he's going to be going down the States, picking up a bunch of stuff and bringing it back, so be sure to get those orders in. The next tire thing is a shout out for our friends over at Diversified Tire. Jason is taking spring orders for slicks, so you want to save money on shipping, then go ahead and give them a call. They've also got rims and tires for those of you that need DOT tires for the bomber cars. So get over there, get those checked out. Be sure to grab those early before the season started. I got a package this week from Bob Bolles, who is leading the chassis setup seminar on May 28th. Which will be at the racetrack there in the lounge. He also sent a couple copies of Speedway Illustrated, which are hot off the press, the March issue. Well, that's February, but March issue features dirt sprint cars, so that's kind of cool. He writes articles for Speedway Illustrated, and he's going to be up here doing that chassis setup seminar. If you're interested in finding out more information about that class, we have an event set up on our Facebook page, so check that out. And I will have information on our website about that class this afternoon. For our sponsor spotlight today, I would like to welcome Ports Machine, as well as Modern Touch Restoration, to the Alaska Raceway Park family. Both of those companies signed up after last week's Track Talk, so thank you very much. These are some incredibly cool racer-owned businesses. They are based out of Fairbanks, but like I said, they're racers, so they're down all the time. If you need machine work, you can call Rodney at Ports Machine. If you are doing a ground-up restoration, be sure to give Joseph a call. He just did this really cool old school, I should have got notes on this before we started, but anyhow, he did this great restoration in this old pickup truck, and it is amazing. Like, it looks brand new, and the paint job is pretty awesome. So if you need something like that, I might have to hit him up and see if he could help me out with the old bad lady, get her a little bit prettier, but maybe next fall. Anyhow, give those guys a call. That would be great. And other than that, we've got a few people kind of tiddling in and getting their registrations for the race season in. If you could go ahead and get signed up for your driver registration, that would be super helpful to do that ahead of time. Saves me some hassle a little bit later in the season when things get a little bit busy. Next week for Track Talk, we will be doing a shop tour, so be sure to tune in for that. Thank you to everybody who has tuned in today to Tuesday Track Talk. I appreciate you guys and look forward to seeing you when all of the stupid snow melts. Have a great afternoon, be safe, and I'll see you next week.